CNC inlaying is a technique that leverages the precision and repeatability of a CNC router to embed seamless, intricate designs in wood that would be impossible to do with a router by hand. A sharp, tapered V-bit moving through corners and curves can carve channels that preserve crisp points and fine details. Machine the exact opposite shape into a second piece of wood, join the two halves together, mill away the excess, and you're left with a beautiful flush surface that captures your design using nothing but the contrast between wood species. And CNC inlays aren't difficult to produce. You can design and make toolpaths to carve your own inlays using the free version of our CAD/CAM program, Carbide Create Core. The software will handle all the calculations needed to produce a seamless inlay. Let's take a look at how this works in practice with an example in the form of a wooden drink coaster with a decorative inlay. In Carbide Create, you can draw your own design or import a vector file containing your design. Here I'm bringing in an SVG file I got online. I'll position and scale the design to fit my desired form factor, a 3.5 inch diameter circle. I'll apply an advanced V-carve toolpath to this design. And while I'm here, I'll add a contour toolpath to cut out my coaster. That will produce a result that looks like this, a pocket with tapered sides and a flat bottom at a fixed depth. That's the first part done. Next, we'll take our design and mirror it so we can create a plug shaped like the inverse of the pocket carved with the first program. We'll also draw a boundary around the entire design to focus the machining to a specific region. With the flipped design and an extra boundary selected, we'll again apply an advanced V-carve toolpath, but this time we'll toggle the Inlay Plug checkbox. That toolpath will cut out something that looks like this. The two halves we've machined will fit together snugly like a 3D puzzle piece. I'll glue the two halves together, clamp them tightly, and let them sit overnight. When you mill or saw away the excess material and clean up the results with some sandpaper, you're left with a perfectly flush result that captures your design in the contrast between the woods you've selected. It's a technique that looks like it took years to master, but one you can pull off with your CNC in a weekend. We encourage you to give CNC Inlays a try with Carbide Create. It's more approachable than it looks. And if you run into any issues or have any questions, our support team is here for you. But I think you've got this.